Hello everyone, welcome to the Bailiwick Academy. I'm James Magos, aka Jimbo de Panadero. For this class, I'm gonna teach you how to make browas. Basically, a whole egg, sineparate natin yung egg yolk and egg white, and pagsasamahin natin para siyang chiffon, pero crunchy yung dating niya.